Would you like to make a special and unique present for your mom for Mother's Day? Stick with me. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nava. I'm going to teach you how to make a special flower for your mom. So first we'll be needing colored paper. I'm using pink. You'll be needing scissors, pen, or pencil, and you need tape. So let's get right into it. First, start by drawing your hand. Trace your whole hand. Make sure you don't miss any of the fingers. Try your best to make it look the exact same as your hand. It might not be that same, but it's okay. Your mom will like it. Next, you take your scissors and then cut it out. Okay, great, we're done. Now, take your hand and just roll it. Like this, it'll look like this. Take some tape. And then wrap it around the flower. And then take some yellow, cut a strip, a very thick strip, and then just same thing. Take some tape, cut it off, and then you just fold it like this. And it should technically look like this. And then you take your tape, and then you tape it on. And it'll hold. And then what you have to do is take some green tape. Same thing as the yellow, it's just smaller. Tape. And then you just do the same thing as you did for the yellow. And there we go. We're done that part. Now we take the yellow and then just put it in the green, like this. It might be hard. And then the next step is to take your hand and just curl this like it, and it'll end up like this. Now do the same thing for all of the fingers. Make sure that you don't accidentally break the fingers while you're folding them. And there you go. Now, the last step is just put this in. And then you just put it in. And I have a special trick for that. You can just fold this part and then put it in like this. It might be hard. If it's too hard, take it and cut it like that. I'm giving you ideas of how to fix it, but if you have your own idea, that's fine. You can also use your own idea. What's fun about crafting is that you can get lots of ideas and you can ask lots of questions about stuff like lots of stuff. So, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet so you won't miss any of our new videos. Alright, now you just pull it and then you're done. Alright, you're done. Don't forget that this is a special and unique video for your mom to enjoy your present. If you have pipe cleaners, you can use them like this. This is the result of the one I made yesterday. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next episode.